வணக்கம். Star Health Assured Insurance Policy. உங்கள் மருத்துவ செலவுகளுக்கு ஒரு பாதுகாப்பான தீர்வு. Covers hospitalization expenses due to illness or accidental injuries. Type of cover, individual and floater option இரண்டும் உள்ளது. Individual க்கு entry age 18 to 75 years. Dependent children 91 days to 17 years. Floater இல் குழந்தை 18 ஆகும் போது adult ஆகஸ்ட் மாற்றப்படும். Maximum family size 6 adults 3 children. Self, spouse, children, parents மற்றும் in-laws ஆகியோரை சேர்க்கலாம். Midterm inclusion. Newly wedded spouse, newborn baby மற்றும் legally adopted child. 45 நாட்களில் உள்ள inclusion செய்யலாம். Zone based pricing. Zone A, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai உள்ளிட்ட நகரங்கள். Zone B, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Trivandrum. Zone C, Rest of India. Premium location அடிப்படையில் நிர்ணயிக்கப்படும். Age 61 years and above, 10% copayment compulsory. Other age groups, no copayment. Lifelong renewal facility. 1 year, 2 year, 3-year policy options. Long-term discount. 2 ND and 3 RD க்கு 10% discount applicable. Floater discount. க்கு 40% discount. Parents 10% discount. Pre-medical screening. Certain க்கு medical checkup வேண்டும். 100% expense company handle பண்ணும். Some insured options. 5 லட்சம், 10 லட்சம், 15 லட்சம், 20 லட்சம், 25 லட்சம், 50 லட்சம், 75 லட்சம், 100 லட்சம், 200 லட்சம் வரை தேர்வு செய்யலாம். Room rent. 1% of sum insured up to 5 lakhs. Higher plans, any room allowed. Consumables. Non-medical items covered if claim is admissible. Road ambulance. Covered up to sum insured. Hospital to hospital or hospital to home. Pre and post hospitalization. Covered up to sum insured. Organ donor expenses. Additional amount covered for organ donor ICU surgery. All daycare treatments covered up to sum insured. Hospitalization at home, covered up to sum insured. Exceeding 2 days. Home care treatment. Payable up to 10% of sum insured or 5 lakhs rupees per policy year. Air ambulance. Covered up to 10% sum insured per policy year. Star Power. App usage மூலம் wellness rewards கிடைக்கும். Premium discount up to 20% health checkup. Individual 1,500 rupee to 8,000 rupees. Floater 2,500 rupee to 15,000 rupees as per sum insured. Cumulative bonus. Each claim-free year 25% bonus. Maximum 100%. Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy covered up to sum insured. Assisted reproduction. 1 to 4 lakhs coverage, up to 10% of sum insured. Delivery expenses. Applicable only after 2 years continuous coverage. In utero fetal surgery covered, after 2 years waiting period. Newborn baby cover expenses up to 4 lakhs, as per sum insured. Chronic asthma payable up to 10%. Compassionate travel layer incurred up to 10,000 rupees for one family member. Motor remains repatriation, up to 15,000 rupee per year. 1% discount for value network hospital treatment. Shared accommodation. 1 day, if stayed in shared room, 24 HRS. Second opinion from company doctors record forwarded email or post. Automatic restoration. Partial or full utilization, sum insured restored again. Multiple times, up to 100%. Modern treatments. Modern techniques covered up to sum insured. Rehab and pain management. Up to 20% of sum insured, subject to sublimit. Optional deductible cover. This deductible is applicable for every policy year on aggregate basis. Waiting periods. Initial waiting period, 30 days for all illness expect accident. Specific diseases, 2 years. Pre-existing, applicable for 3 years policy term. 2.5 years. And also applicable for 1 year and 2-year policy term 3 years. Delivery expenses, utero fetal surgery assisted reproduction treatment, 2 years. Newborn cover 1 year.